Hi everyone, Anelia here from the Tricity Homes team at Davenport Realty, and today we're showcasing our newest listing, 4076 Queen Street in the quiet community of Millbank, only 20 minutes away from the city of Waterloo. This gorgeous full-brick bungalow features 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2.5-car garage, main level laundry, large rec room, many upgrades throughout, and it has over half an acre of a lot. Let's head inside and explore this country living home. The large kitchen offers abundance of cabinetry, double sink, and has recently been updated with the immaculate Cambria quartz countertops and a new subway tile backsplash. The kitchen overlooks the spacious dining area with the sliding door access to the deck and enormous backyard. The 3 generous bedrooms on the main level include the master with a 3-piece ensuite, which has recently been upgraded with luxury tiles, quartz countertop, stand-up shower with modern finishes, plus a heated towel rack. The main 4-piece bath has also been upgraded with new quartz countertop, tiles, and a new bathtub. To complete the main level, you have the convenience of a main level laundry with an easy access from the garage. The lower level has an extra large rec room with a wood-burning fireplace, with a brand new carpet, and the unfinished area features plenty of storage which can be completed to your liking with a walk-up to the garage. The extended driveway can easily accommodate 4 vehicles. 2.5-car garage comes with a workbench and 3 different ways to access the property, including the mudroom, basement, and backyard. The extra deep private backyard offers a large deck where you can enjoy your morning coffee, listening to the birds chirping, the large storage tent, and a shed with running electricity, which was the original Millbank's baseball concession stand. This lovely home, it's walking distance to Millbank's favorite and famous Amish restaurant and bakery, 20 minutes away from Waterloo, Stratford and Listowel. The Guelph to Goddard Trail runs through Millbank, where you can enjoy picturesque views and get away from the busy and stressful city life. I hope you have enjoyed our tour here at 4076 Millbank. If you or anyone you know that might be interested in this property, please contact us now to book your private showing. I'm Anelia Bakalova from the Tricity Homes at Davenport Realty.